guys, Junta Perla TV. Ito na naman tayo guys. Naliligo tayo sa Badyangon Falls. Yan o. Badyangon Swimming Falls. Yan guys, ang ganda oh. Ang sarap maligo, naglaro-laro sa Badyangon Swimming Pool and Dumaguete City. Guys, Dumaguete City, Philippines. Badyangon Falls. Ayan, oh. At saka swimming pool. Yes, there. Iba-ibang kulay paggabi ang tubig. May mga light guys, light. Yan ang Badyangon Swimming Pool and Dumaguete City, Philippines. Junta Perla TV. Ang gandang maligo, mag night swimming sa Badyangon Swimming Pool. Iba-iba ang kulay sa Badyangon Swimming Pool. Papunta yan ng gabi guys, no? Papunta ng gabi. Kaya nga makita mo ang sunset.
Words on your shoulder, love and endless. I try to go easy. It's time to get high. Someone to love me. Where all the action is rather everywhere. I know that when we can go right, underneath the empty stone. So give a shake. Oh, and it goes like this. Take me by the time I know you. Kiss me till my heart I show you. Ooh, my jacket, I got the blues, my jacket, I got the blues. Amiga, sasayaw ako dito. I really try to love you. Look into my eyes and I know you. The blues, my jacket, I got the blues, my jacket, I got the blues. That's hard. Feel like the broken sky. Nothing feels like when you're with me. I make you believe I got nothing on the small. So get in the car, we can ride it wherever you want. Get excited if you want to stay, but I'm just thinking I take it from here.
Exclusive bets dito guys sa Dumaguete City, Philippines. Yan. Branting, Siquijor and Bohol. Yan. Yan ang exclusive nilang beach. Ang Bicong Beach. Nandito na naman tayo nanood ng birthday party ni Madam Chinese. sa Dumaguete City, Philippines. Yan oh. Exclusive yung beach nila. Ang Bicong Beach. Sa Dumaguete, Philippines. Yan guys. Ang maganda. Magandang lugar. Mag-unwind. For sa mga negosyante ito guys. Dito sila nagkita-kita tuwing linggo. Ang mga negosyanteng Chinese. Yan. Sa Bicong Beach, Dumaguete, Philippines. From Siquijor ang harap niyan. Pagtawid mo ng dagat, Siquijor and Bohol, Philippines. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda. Yung beach nila. Naka-relax. Relax tayo dyan. Dito na naman tayo sa Dumaguete City, Philippines.